Asha, yeah, tomorrow is going to be the wettest day of this stretch, and then we have another system bringing rain on Sunday. But today, with a warm front nearby, we're ushering in this warm, moist air. It's not a very nice day, but it's not a total washout. You will want at least the hooded jacket out there today because we do have some light drizzle and a lot of fog. You can see most of the rain is still well off to the south and west, and slowly this is going to be approaching through the day and into the overnight hours. So right now, as we take a look at the clouds and radar composite here, not seeing a ton of rain, but there are a few scattered little sprinkles, some drizzle and mist, which is the particles are just so small they barely are registered on the radar, but they're out there. There's that moisture just clinging in the air today. So what to expect? We do have areas of fog this morning. You can see some reduced visibility on the roads. Wasn't as bad earlier, but actually getting worse now as we go through the mid to late morning time frame. Otherwise, the afternoon is just kind of cloudy and drizzly. Now, the steadiest rain is going to hold off until later tonight, and temperatures will be slightly above average. Despite the cloud cover, we're already seeing temps down the shore surge into the mid 40s, 43 in Atlantic City, 41 in Millville. It's 37 in the city right now. The Poconos, though, still below freezing, so that's why the winter weather advisory still goes on until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Any rain that comes through there could produce some ice. The bigger concern around the city is now the fog. You can see our numbers have started to decrease here. We're down to below 1 mile at the airport. Wilmington reporting 1/3 of a mile visibility. So that is very dense fog there along I-95 around the Wilmington area. That could slow you down this morning. Down the shore as well, seeing some fog. So foggy start and then just cloudy, drizzly, dreary with a high of 44 this afternoon. Showers will arrive late, especially off to the north and west, but really the steady rain here in the city will not come through until overnight tonight. So rain becomes steadier north and west this evening. Tomorrow is rainy for both commutes. And then as we head into Friday, a few scattered showers in the morning. Coming up, I'll time out the rain hour by hour, tell you how much will fall and when we might get some sunshine and 60s. Little interlude of spring-like weather, Natasha. I'll tell you more about that in a bit. Back over to you.
All right,
sure.
So true.
But I'm sure there are plenty that said, oh, you know what, we got our snow, we got our sledding time in, we got the cold, and now bring on spring. And by the end of the week, it's going to feel like spring out there. Certainly by Friday, even Saturday, it's not going to last. So try to get outside and enjoy it while you can, but you're not really going to want to be out there today or tomorrow. That's when the rain starts to work its way in, and it is dreary. It is damp outside right now. We are seeing some fog as well. Visibilities have started to drop actually here mid-morning as more fog develops. We're not seeing as many showers as we saw earlier today, and now that those have ended, now the fog is able to kind of take its place. So you can see the low clouds and fog obscuring the buildings here in Center City. We're at 37 degrees. Feels like temp also 37 degrees, not too bad, but you can see the visibility down to about a mile at the airport. So some patchy dense fog in spots, especially south of the city. If you're traveling or you're planning to travel, maybe on 95 down toward Wilmington, expect that you may run into some patchy dense fog, and that can slow you down a bit. Clouds and drizzle today with a high of 44 in Philadelphia, a little warmer at the shore. We'll have clouds, and again, it's a bit of a damp, dreary day. The Lehigh Valley is where I think the rain is going to move in first, and that'll be this evening through the evening commute. We will likely just see some scattered showers for the evening commute here in Philadelphia, and then overnight it picks up a little bit more, and it will be around for both commutes tomorrow. So here's a look at the system heading our way. It's all lifting. You can see lifting to the basically from southwest to northeast. When you see a system lifting like this, it's generally an indication that it's weakening, and it's kind of stringing out into two pieces here. So we're not going to have the heavy rain that they're seeing down across the deep south. It's just going to be kind of a light to moderate rain pretty much all day tomorrow. So a long duration event, but again, not looking for any widespread flooding concerns with this one. Here's the timing. This is going to be moving in tonight. You can see by about 5 o'clock, starts up in the Lehigh Valley. There will be scattered showers this evening after around 7 in the city. But notice overnight it starts to move further south and east, and we will have at least some showers around for the morning commute. At this time tomorrow, we'll be seeing a little bit of a lull and then another round of steadier rain in the afternoon. Couple of showers Friday morning right here, and then as this clears Friday afternoon, we may even see some sun try to break out, and it is warm on Friday afternoon, and we'll stay warm into Saturday before another system comes in on Sunday and knocks our dream of spring right back. So Sunday and Thursday, the wettest days, Friday and Saturday, the warmest days, and we're chilly early next week once again. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.